minister of happiness and the smiles back on your face, and that's all that counts. You seem very happy with the win.
I am very happy with the win, but I haven't been very happy lately, to be honest with you. You know, the situation in the world doesn't make me happy, so I feel like I'm sorry.
It's okay. These are the moments. These are the moments, ONS, that can take us away from the world for a few minutes, where we can focus on sports, we can focus on the people we love, and it can take us away from the problems for a few minutes. So you're able to let all of us do that as your fans, and we appreciate everything you do out on this tennis court very much.
I mean, I wish just... it's very tough seeing children, babies dying every day, and it's heartbreaking. So I have decided to donate part of my prize money to help, you know, the Palestinians. And man, I cannot be happy with just this win. Just what's happening. I'm sorry, guys. It's supposed to be about tennis, but it's very frustrating looking at the videos every day. So I'm sorry, it's not political message here, it's just a humanity, that's it. I want peace in this world, and that's it.
ONS, we share in your sentiment. You know, we had a moment of silence when the tournament started to pray for peace and happiness. There's been hurricanes in Acapulco, that's going on in the Middle East. There is a lot going on everywhere, but we want to take this moment to tell you that the sun will come out again, and we love you, and we wish you only the best.
Thank you.
Okay. ONS JABEUR, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for.
Yes, well said, both Andrew Krasny and, of course, ONS JABEUR. And putting everything into perspective, what she's been going through, witnessing what is happening in the world. And I think we certainly echo the sentiment of hoping for peace.
Couldn't help but get teary-eyed there.
Yeah, that was
oh my goodness.
Tough to watch, tough to see, but maybe she's such a great ambassador for